What if I told you that a simple glass of beetroot juice could transform your health in just a week? This vibrant red drink is packed with powerful nutrients that can work wonders. Imagine lowering your blood pressure naturally, just by sipping on beetroot juice daily. The secret lies in its rich content of naturally occurring nitrates. Feel a surge of energy and stamina as beetroot juice boosts your iron levels, essential for producing hemoglobin that carries oxygen to your muscles and tissues. Detoxify your body like never before. Beetroot juice supports your liver and kidneys, helping to flush out harmful toxins and break down excess fats. Achieve naturally glowing skin from the inside out. Beetroot juice nourishes and rejuvenates your skin, combating dullness, breakouts, and uneven texture. Improve your digestion with the help of betaine in beetroot juice. This compound stimulates stomach acid production, ensuring efficient breakdown of fats and proteins. Sharpen your focus and enhance cognitive function. The nitrates in beetroot juice convert to nitric oxide, improving blood flow to your brain and boosting mental clarity. Strengthen your immune system with the power of copper found in beetroot juice. This trace mineral is crucial for the development of white blood cells that fight off infections. Experience the benefits of improved blood circulation. Beetroot juice interacts with your body at a cellular level, enhancing the flow of blood throughout your system. Unlock the full potential of your health with beetroot juice, nature's secret tonic. From energy to immunity, this drink offers a multitude of benefits.